Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you back to Trade Africa. My name is Samuel Ngon, and I'm happy to welcome you again here this Tuesday. Traders, we're now opening for a new session here after spending the time yesterday evening. We want to thank you so much because you guys was more than what we were expecting. The number keeps increasing, and for that reason we want to thank you. We also see the opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to thank our new subscriber. Our community keep growing, so we want to thank you very much as well. And we also see the opportunity to tell that those who join us but who hasn't subscribed, they have to, we encourage them to go ahead and subscribe, because we're here every day from Sunday to Thursday. Traders, today we are going to have a wonderful session. Even though yesterday the outcome wasn't what we were expecting, but the process was good because we are focusing ourselves on the process, not the outcome. Since our channel is bilingual, ladies and gentlemen, we have to welcome also those in French. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Ngon et très heureux d'être ici ce mardi soir. Traders, après avoir passé une journée, je peux dire, agréable hier soir, nous avions eu une bonne partie hier soir, une bonne session, malgré le résultat qui n'a pas été celle qu'on escomptait, mais néanmoins, le processus a été agréable, puisque nous nous focalisons sur le processus plus que la finalité, quoi. Nous sommes ici pour apprendre à trade. Je nous rappelle encore une fois de plus, l'objectif de notre chaîne, c'est d'apprendre à trade. Nous ne sommes pas ici pour faire l'argent. Peut-être le moment viendra où nous pourrions le faire, mais pour l'instant, nous apprenons à trade. Alors, nous vous encourageons tous à avoir des comptes démo afin de trade ensemble avec nous, ce qui est très indispensable. Trader, I was saying that the main goal here is to learn how to trade. We're learning how to trade, and for that reason, I encourage you guys to have a demo account, because trading is risky, and along the way, you're going to have losses. It's important, very, very important to have a demo account. So let's now jump to our new session and start analyzing trade, ladies and gentlemen. In the meantime, yesterday the outcome wasn't what we were expecting, but the process was there. And today we're here. We call ourselves relentless traders because we have to be here every day, no matter the outcome. Traders, we need to look at, find the time to be here. It's very, very important. We got to put this in our schedule. No matter what happened, we should show the difference, between the winner and losers. Because people who are losers don't stick in any plan. They plan something, and as soon as things start getting worse or difficult, they change their mind. That is not the kind of people we are here. We don't want to change our mind when we plan something. We know we're going to have up and down. Especially when you want to do something good in your life, there gotta always be something, we gotta prevent you to do what is good. Because if what is good was easier, everybody could have done it. The reason why many people don't do what is good is that, or what is nice, is that it's difficult. So we have to show the difference. We have to do the opposite, to be successful. That is why in this world, few people are successful, but more people are unsuccessful. We don't want to align to those who are unsuccessful. for that reason, we need to come out of a comfort zone. We need to beat ourselves up in order to choose what is right. But I'm telling you, what we're doing here is the right things to be here. Learn how to trade. Maybe at this time, it got to be difficult to believe on it, but in the future we'll do it. So we will go now start analyzing our trade. Je disais que beaucoup de gens dans la vie, c'est difficile de prendre une bonne décision, de faire ce qui est bien. Voilà, un peu comme chaque jour nous venons ici, nous savons que c'est difficile de faire ce programme. Vous pouvez tracer un programme très important dans votre vie, ce qui doit vous aider, mais malheureusement, des obstacles viennent embrouiller ce que vous avez tracé comme programme. C'est pour cette raison que beaucoup de gens abandonnent. Voilà. Parce qu'il est très facile de faire ce qui est mauvais que de faire ce qui est bien. Ce qui est bien demande beaucoup de sacrifices. Pour cette raison, je vous encourage à rester positif, à sortir de votre confort, de votre zone de confort. Voilà. Et rester concentré sur ce que vous allez faire. Ce que nous avons décidé de faire ici, c'est une bonne chose. Peut-être aujourd'hui, c'est difficile de le croire, mais avec le temps, nous verrons que nous avons fait un bon choix. Alors, nous allons faire l'analyse de notre trade. Je vais commencer en anglais. Traders, when we look at our chart here, we see that we are going, before that time, we are now going to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We have 1 minute or 2 minutes to 7 p.m. We're going to analyze our trade fast as possible. You can see here that we had an unusual volume in the daily chart. We have 4 charts here. The first one is in my right or on my left. I mean, on the left and in your left, you have Euro Japanese, and on top of the right, you have US Japanese, and on the lower left, you have GBP Japanese, which is Great Britain, or pound, okay, the pound Japanese, Britain money and Japanese money, if I can go lower to explain what I mean. And we have here on our right lower, we have Euro money and Japanese money, which is Euro versus Japanese yen. So, and we can understand that here we have our daily chart on the GBP Japanese. I made a mistake. I'm sorry about that because it looked like I changed here. This is I need to put Australia Japanese here. Australia Japanese. Sorry about that. Yes, I need to place Australia Japanese. So this is Australia Japanese instead. I wanted to play because we used to trade Australia Japanese instead of GBP Euro. So now we have Euro Japanese here. You can see the momentum we have today. It looked like we have a very good news today, and we came from this level 156 to 159, 169. So it means that we jumped. We had a lot of volume today. So we moved from here to here. I can zoom it for you guys to see. See, this is where we came from in the morning. We came from today, here to here. That is a big move, ladies and gentlemen. So we have this move today. I don't know what we can expect. Sorry. Today we see that we have a very big move, and we tried to come to the 50. Now we reject it. We're having now the open was here, went up, and now we went down a little bit. Now we start drying. So what can we expect, ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon? Probably, according to I can see what I see here, I see that we have lower, lower, and lower, high, lower, lower. We have a lower high. If I place my trend line here, ladies and gentlemen, let's see. Let me see if I can place a trend line here. Let me remove this one. Our trend line, if I can place it here, we see, let's see trend line, what we have here as a trend line. So the trend line doesn't work properly. We have just two head touching here, and this one doesn't touch. It means that this one went a little bit above it, ladies and gentlemen. It went a little bit above it. So we are going to expect maybe the downside right now. It's possible because this move continuation is possible, but it's a little bit difficult. What is easier is might be just a retracement. Yeah, that is what I'm thinking. Likewise here, we see on this one as well, Australia Japanese, we see that we have a big move. We might have some kind of retracement. It's possible. And also moving up, also shouldn't neglect it. But I gotta look at the market, particularly on the retracement side, which means what? The downside. Yeah. But I don't, remove the possibility of the upside. If the market turn over, I will also flip my mind. Je disais que quand nous regardons cette analyse, ce que le marché a fait déjà aujourd'hui chez Trader, nous voyons que nous avons ce genre de mouvement que le marché a fait. Et ce gros vert que nous voyons ici, ça veut dire que le marché est monté aujourd'hui, a eu un grand volume. Donc, quand le marché a eu un gros volume aujourd'hui, peut-être nous pouvons voir le marché replier un tout petit peu vers le bas avant de continuer. Donc, même chose comme nous avons vu ici dans ce trade, je vais dire cette paire-ci aussi, nous voyons un gros vert. Ce que le marché a fait aujourd'hui, c'est tellement gros parce qu'il y a eu énormément de volume. Donc, aujourd'hui, nous pouvons voir ce genre de repli. Voilà. Donc, nous devons regarder le marché plus sur la descente que sur la montée, sans toutefois négliger le fait que le marché peut continuer vers le haut. Peut venir ici et casser là et continuer vers le haut. Mais je ne serais pas étonné de voir le marché descendre toute cette soirée. Bon, néanmoins, nous allons voir. Traders, so we are now 5 minutes already passed. I need now to go back to my 4 hours chart. Go to 4 hours. That is my 4 hours chart, ladies and gentlemen. So I can place this one above here. So we are good. .4 hours, and here as well. .4 hours as well. I'm placing them as support and resistance. What the market did last week, last Tuesday, was a little bit different, from what it did today, ladies and gentlemen. So here as well, 4 hours. So we have bullish engulfing candle here, the 4 hours here. So we are going to see there's my stops, my support. And we see that we have all our technical analysis are below traders. And we're having high and high low. And now we came here with a consolidation. Now we went to lower. So we are going to keep our eyes here. We're here. We might see the continuation up, or like we said, if we have a breakdown for the continuation down, it won't surprise me because the markets when it's a little bit extended, but you know, the Forex never be extended. We can still have a move from the upside. So we don't decide what the market have to do, but we can just try to predict. Anyway, let's see. Last week, I can show you what the market was looked like last week. I can show it to you guys. What the market did last week. You can see here, that was my daily chart. You can see here that last week on this daily chart, there were nothing major here. You can see that. There were nothing here. And you see how the daily chart was nasty, you know. There were nothing, you know, major. We didn't have a bullish engulfing candle. So today things are different, you know. Donc je disais que la semaine dernière, nous n'avons pas eu ce genre de mouvement qui était le vert ici sur le daily chart. Voilà. Donc, mais aujourd'hui nous avons eu ça. Donc, nous allons voir. Watching, ladies and gentlemen. Let's watch and see. This is our resistance here. All our technical analysis are below. It means that we are in a bullish market right now. So let's see if we're going to have a breakout or the breakup, you know, and a rejection for the downside. Need to wait and watch it carefully. On va regarder attentivement nos tendances. On appelle le chart. On va voir si nous voyons venir au-dessus de ces résistances. J'espère peut-être qu'ils vont venir ici et casser et rejeter ou tourner vers le bas. C'est une possibilité, mais nous allons voir. Pour la continuité. On observe US Japanese. Nous approchons la résistance. Approaching the resistance area, traders. If we break here and we hold, now maybe I might go long. Otherwise, I expect the breakout, maybe rejection for the downside, you know. And we shouldn't forget that we have a high and high low. We're going to now have another high. So when I remember what happened last time, patterns is very, very important. Yeah, we need to check our patterns. Very important what the market is doing. We have high, low, high, low. We have high here. We have high, low. So we need another high, you know. Likewise here, traders. We have a momentum here. High, low, high, low. We have high here. We now have high, low. So we need to be careful. We gotta trade by following the pattern as well. Here as well. So let's see. We have big momentum. Maybe we must start getting the downside, which is possible. Let me see here. Let me see something here. Let's see, we place now our trend line. How's that gonna look? Let me try to see if I can have a trend line here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is our trend line. So if you have a lower here, we need to break this trend line in order to start showing downside. So that is our trend line. This one as well, I need to mark our trend line here, ladies and gentlemen. Need to mark our trend line. Here we already break the trend line. We broke it here, ladies and gentlemen. We are now downside. So let me also see this one. Let me see this trend line here, traders. Because we need to trade according to the patterns, some kind of patterns. This one will also broke the trend line. And let me see this last one. This one as well already broke trend line here. So let's watch carefully our trade. We'll see where it's going to head, traders. We need all our trade to break the trend line. We already have 3 trades broken the trend line. So we're now going to have now a 4th trade. So let's be patient and wait, traders. I could have preferred to see it coming here, like when it break here a little bit and reject and turn around, but I feel more comfortable. Yeah, taking the trade. We now have a high low. High low now. This is the top. So, and this is the shoulder. This is another shoulder. Top, shoulder, and shoulder. So we have head, one head here and double shoulder. So we might see a continuation down, or if we break this shoulder for the breakout. So, but we already have a head and double shoulder. In the meantime, we encourage those who just tune in, those who it's their first time, to subscribe to our channel, because we're here every day from Sunday to Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Ceux qui viennent de se connecter à notre chaîne, nous sommes ici tous les jours de dimanche à jeudi et nous vous encourageons de souscrire à notre chaîne afin que vous ne manquiez pas ce rendez-vous très important qui consiste à prendre à trade. Watching here, traders. On attend très patiemment pour voir ce que le marché fera. Nous voyons déjà la descente ici de Japanese, qui est bien. Things still quiet here. I'm going to okay, before that, we have now the rejection at the bottom, and now it looks like I want to get a lower high. So because we have high and high low, high and high low, we have a head here and shoulder. So we're expecting to have continuation down, because we broke the the trend line here as well. But these things might decide to make a new high and go straight to the resistance here. It's possible. So what I want to do is that I have to wait and see what is about to do, traders, because this is very dangerous. We are below the trend line. Sorry, we are below the trend line here. And when you look at even this trend line, let me see. You look at this trend line, traders. Let me widen a little bit. You see here that it placed now a head and shoulder. And on this shoulder, it came here with the lower, high, lower, high, lower. Now it placed another lower high on the shoulder. So this is 5 minutes. We need to be careful. We might see it going up, all the way up, but the probability is that since it's making high and a lower, and lower high, lower and lower high, it might just come here a little bit and now place another lower and to continue down. So we need to analyze now very carefully. Je disais que, comme nous regardons ici, il a une tête que voici, et les épaules, 2 épaules. Et dans cette épaule, si nous voyons qu'il est en train de faire une petite montée et une grande descente, une petite montée, une grande descente, donc il peut refaire la même descente ici. Mais s'il dépasse cette montée, si, on va voir que c'est déjà autre chose. Okay. If we see now the new high, the green candle to make the new high here, we see that is something else. So, but we can expect to have lower high here. We can have now another lower, yeah. So, but let's watch and see. You need to see a green candle to make the new high. A second green candle making a new high. Now we know that things trying to change. All right, that's it. So at this point, I may see, that this is different things now. This is a different one. It look like it's want to go up, to make a new high. So I need to wait a little bit and keep seeing it where it's heading. I don't want to rush. By placing a trade. So let's see. Let's be patient. Let's give him more time. On va encore attendre un tout petit peu et voir la direction vraiment. Ce qu'il est en train de vouloir faire. Ou s'il n'est pas en train de vouloir nous dribbler. Let's see if it's not a one low high, it's placing there to go to lower on the shoulder. Let's see. Watching. I haven't taken any trade here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm still sitting on my hand. Watching. Je n'ai pas encore pris un trade. Je suis toujours là, j'observe. Je suis patient. On ne prend pas un trade lorsqu'il n'y a pas de mouvement. Le marché doit mouvementer avant de voir s'il y a une opportunité. Et le marché aussi s'apprête de nous dribbler. C'est ainsi. Là où il est en train de faire, c'est pour afin de nous augmenter, afin que nous puissions prendre un trade et prendre notre argent. Nous devons faire attention aussi. Let's watch and see. Now, probably we're going to have a high low now. See that if we jump on a trade because he started to go up, we are now facing now a problem. Coming now lower, which I don't know, maybe just a retracement. Watching. Australia Japanese here, you can see. Australia Japanese. Coming down, if you break here, maybe you come to the new lower. Now we're placing our new lower. Watching. It's almost 35 minutes past 7 p.m. here Eastern Time, ladies and gentlemen. Without taking no trade, we haven't taken a trade here. Disons qu'il est 19h passé de 35 minutes. Nous sommes assis sans trade. On observe encore. Look like we're trying to come down. Comme si on semble déjà commencer à venir vers le bas. Voilà, on approche le bas. We're coming down, traders. Market might come down based of what we saw on the daily chart, but we are not the one who decide. We shouldn't subestimate Forex. Forex don't have, are not extended. We should also understand that they never be extended. They can extend it themselves more than what we expect. We have to keep that in mind. This is not the stock market. So we have to keep it in mind. They might reverse anytime. Donc, je disais que le Forex n'a pas un niveau où il s'étend. Des fois, on croit qu'il est trop étendu, alors que il va s'étendre plus que ce que nous voyons. Donc, on doit être prêt psychologiquement que n'importe quelle direction qu'il prend, nous pourrons le suivre. Voilà. Patience est la clé du succès. Patience is the key. My first eyes is on Australia Japanese in case, but before I involve in that trade, I need to see US Japanese breaking. I need to see GBP breaking down and also Euro Japanese on the breakdown in case. Otherwise, I gotta wait. Gotta see waiting. We are waiting here as like a sniper. we see that all our trade they are on the 50 simple moving average. That is the bottom. All of them 50 moving simple moving average, which is also is technical analysis, is solid technical analysis, but not too solid, because if it was on the 150, I could have feel more confidence, to take it for long here. But 50 is good, but not like 150 simple. So let's see. Having some kind of small volume with the momentum, because when we look at the volume here, we see that increasing here on US Japanese, as well as here we see how the volume increase here, so which is good. Also we have here the volume increase slowly. We're small here, now we keep climbing, so it's a good news that the volume is coming in. We need it to break above the resistance, Great, we're moving there. Let's see. Now we're in the higher lower. Now I want to get the lower high. Lower high now. Climbing. Watching, yeah, it's good. That movement is good. I want to see US Japanese breaking new high and holding there. We are watching. I haven't taken any trade. Going on to 45 minutes almost. No trade. Japanese is climbing slowly. Japanese US. Voyons que US Japanese est en train de monter doucement. Ici, il est déjà presque à la résistance. Japanese now is close to break. The resistance there. Probably having a pullback. Let's see. Peut-être que nous allons avoir la Japanese va casser ici vers le bout. On va voir. I can show you what happened last week. Last Thursday. Tuesday. This was the trade of last Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. You can see here. You can see the trade last Tuesday. So we have some kind of momentum here, as you can see. I was wearing the same clothes, so you can see that the trade last Tuesday wasn't bad. So we see how it was working. Last Tuesday I was trading. 1 hour I already take multiple trade. You see here I took this trade. This was exactly what happened last Tuesday. So there were trade. You can see here how things was moving. So this was what I traded last Tuesday, but today things are a little bit difficult, a bit different. La vidéo que je viens de montrer là, c'était la vidéo que j'ai trade la semaine dernière. Comment les choses sont passées. Vous voyez que là-bas il y avait un mouvement quand même, mais cette fois-ci les choses sont un peu calmes parce que presque 1 heure de temps que nous allons passer maintenant en trade. Donc le trade s'est passé en journée, comme nous voyons ici. Il y a eu ce momentum. Tout ça s'est passé dans la journée, comme vous voyez. Donc peut-être que le marché est fatigué un peu. Tout ça s'est passé dans la journée. Si c'était à ce moment-ci, on pourrait faire quelque chose. Voilà, donc on attend un peu parce que voici pour nous, depuis que nous avons commencé, c'est ici que ça a commencé. Donc nous allons voir si nous allons casser. Let's see if we're going to have a break. Let's see. If we have a break there, we'll see if we're going to hold or maybe a break and rejection. It's possible. Have a break and we see a rejection. That is why we have to wait. Even though we break, we gotta let him go a little bit to see if we're gonna hold. Donc, on vérifie, on voit si il va casser. S'il arrive à casser, on va attendre un petit peu, voir si il va continuer ou bien il va se retourner. Now 5 minutes to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Watching up to now, no trade. We see now possible break. West Japanese for the breakout. It could have been a good trade, taking here and getting out here. But the way it was doing, wasn't easier to get involved. Sometimes when you already see outcome, it always look like that. So let's say after this break, now things are starting, seems interesting now. If you see the break, but I will hope to see a break and rejection come down. Watching trader, now it's now pulling back. Came to the resistance, we're not able to break. I'm trying to come down. You see how difficult it's to be patient, to wait for a trade to come to you. Yeah, that is how it is. Très difficile de rester patient et attendre que le trade vienne à toi. C'est pas facile, c'est très difficile. C'est ça, trading. C'est ça les traders. Les traders sont patients d'attendre des heures et des heures. C'est un moment, tu peux passer 3 heures ainsi sans trade. Tu plies tes bagages, tu t'en vas. Ça veut dire qu'il faut prendre tous les trades qu'on voit. Si on sent que ça n'est pas sur le système qu'on a l'habitude de prendre, on attend. C'est vrai qu'on pouvait prendre ce trade à partir d'ici jusqu'ici, mais ça donc ça me faisait pas confiance, me donnait pas confiance. Je voulais dire que je n'avais pas confiance au trade. Voilà. Coming down now. See a green candle forming. Another thing the trading is giving us is helping us learn how to be patient. Because you need that quality. You need that to be a trader. You need to learn how to be calm and sitting there and watching. Yeah, you need that. Trading nous apprend, comme je disais, à être patient. C'est une très grande qualité. Lorsqu'on est trader, on doit apprendre à être patient. Voilà. Très grande qualité, la patience. We already have high, high low. We have high lower high here. So we may have now a lower. We have a double top. This is a double top. So I can try, for the US Japanese, just try and place my stop above here, just for one trade and see. For the reversal, because we have double top 5 minutes, but 5 minutes is not too consistent, but for that reason, let's see a little bit, give a little bit more time. Maybe we can see a break and rejection. Let's see, because I need to see a breakout here and rejection. Maybe we can get it now. But what? Maybe that is a breakout for the new high. It was Japanese new high. Double top, flat top, breakout. Let's see. You can get it. Yeah, you're right. Chelsea, you're right. We are trading very, very different. You know, today is a little bit because they finish everything during the day. You know, trade during the day. You know, they made a momentum. But this evening, things are very, very difficult. Things are very difficult. But let's see. Let's see. Japanese is pulling back. Double top here. Because to me, I was saying that there is a possibility for the downside than the upside. That is what I was thinking. Because based of the momentum today, the continuation this tonight, I don't think so. But they might continue maybe after 12. But now we have some kind of pullback. That is what I was expecting. But it looked like we're not gonna get it. I don't know. Je disais que quand on regarde les trades vers ce que ils ont fait en journée, la montée, tout juste la montée, et je me disais que cet après-midi ou ce soir, ils peuvent essayer un peu de descendre afin de reprendre la force et remonter, continuer à remonter, mais il semble que c'est difficile. Tout ce qu'ils font là, on appelle ça la consolidation. Ils n'ont encore rien fait. Ils consolident seulement. Consolide. Mais nous, on apprend beaucoup. We're learning here. Even during this time, this downtime, we are learning to be patient. We are learning to follow the consolidation. We're watching. Let's see. We don't want to force trade. If the trade, we don't see any trade, we gotta wait. We don't force a trade, traders. Japanese is coming down. I need the trade to go out of the range. That is the problem. I can't take the trade when it's coming here and doing what it's doing here. I can't take trade like that. I need it to come out of the range, traders. If I see it coming out of the range, okay, I'll start showing interest. If you look at the trade, so de ce cadre, voilà, ce que je veux. I don't take trade because I just want to trade. It's true I want to trade, but I need to have a reason why I'm taking a trade. One hour, 15 minutes already without trade here. D'une 15 minutes déjà sans trade. I'll get a small break, ladies and gentlemen. trader we here look like Japanese broke. Let's see. We have a breakout here on Japanese and the other guys. Let's see if we have we are going to see a hole. Nous avons vu que Japanese a cassé chez trader. Je vais aller long sur Japanese trader. Je vais prendre le long sur Japanese et aussi sur GBP. Je vais voir. GBP aussi long. Trader, c'est les deux là que je vais d'abord long. Long. Donc, je vais mettre mon stop en bas de ce candle. Voilà. Je vais mettre mon stop là. Ça veut dire que ça, c'est le montant que je dois perdre si ça rentre contre moi. Donc, je vais agrandir ici. I gotta widen it a little bit, traders, so that we can see. I have two trades now. Two trades for the long. Japanese for long and GBP for long, traders. I'm in long position, ladies and gentlemen, here. Let's see. Place my stops. Watching. Watching traders for long position. Now we are going to start searching to see if we can, well, gotta be our target traders. Watching. US Japanese for long and GBP Japanese for long. Hopefully we won't have a pullback. Let's watch and see. I stop it there. If it doesn't keep going, I will get out of the trade. So let's watch and see, traders. Go Japanese for long. Nous sommes dans le trade pour le long. J'ai acheté US japonais pour le long. Voilà. Donc, on va voir s'il va continuer ou bien il va se retourner ici. On va observer le marché. Voilà. Nous voyons un pullback. C'est le voir. Le japonais for long. GBP for long. Let's see. I'm gonna get it. If I get out, I might re-enter the trade in case it doesn't work. All right. You see that? You see the rejection. That is the rejection we're talking about. So that is my two losing trade, ladies and gentlemen. We see a big rejection. See a big rejection now. So let's see. Those are the rejection I was talking about. You know, that we might have a break and rejection. Vous avez vu comment nous avons eu, il a rejeté directement. Donc, si on a le rejet, on va voir, commencer à regarder ce trade vers le bas. Probablement. On va essayer de voir le trade par le bas maintenant. Parce que en rejetant, peut-être ça peut être juste le retest. Donc on soit un peu patient. On ne s'embrouille pas tellement. Let's see. If it's not just a retest. My first two losing trade, ladies and gentlemen. We might re-enter the trade anytime in case we see that you gotta keep going up. We're watching. Watching traders. Je vais voir. Ça c'est le this is a high and high low here and high. Now we're having a high low. Let's see. Watching. J'ai eu mes deux premières pertes. Les deux trades là où je suis entré. J'attends encore pour voir si je peux prendre le trade. Watching. We have high and high low. Let me see. I'm going short on this trade. I want to see for the GBP, Japanese. I went short on it. Traders. This is a long short. I mean the long stopped. I can't afford it to put it on top of that. I prefer get it here. I leave it there. I leave my stop there, ladies and gentlemen. If it doesn't work, I don't want to put it all the way up. So, but I'm taking just one trade for my risk management. Yeah, just to test the water. On va voir. J'ai encore pris un trade pour la descente. Je vais voir si ça ne prend pas. Mon stop est trop proche. US Japanese here. I'm trying to also to see US Japanese. If we can go here for short. US Japanese. I'm getting on US Japanese for short. I'm not sure, but I'm trying. Japanese. I don't want to place my stop far away again. I can afford it all the way up. Let me see. I know that my stop is too tight. but that is what I can afford. If it doesn't work, I will be getting out of the trade. That is what I can afford. It's not well placed, but it's okay. Watching. I don't want to give too much. You gotta come down, you gotta come down. If he doesn't want, let him do whatever he want to do. At this point, my stop is there. I can re-enter the trade anytime. Watching. Pushing my stop. I may re-enter the trade, even though it kicked me out. Small loss is better than the big loss. Reaching my stop. My stop is taken out on the US Japanese. Second time. Sur Sochi, I'm on trade with Japanese. On va attendre voir maintenant ce que le trade doit faire. Voilà. Attendre voir. Au revoir. I gotta get out of my trade on the GBP as well. I'm out of my 2 trade with lot. That is 4 trade consecutively, traders. So it's a little bit difficult this evening again. So Let's see. Let's see. Watching. Let's see GBP here. I was right to take them for the long, but you know, I couldn't stay there. Let's wait for the pullback if we can get it. Need to see some kind of pullback there a little bit for us to enter the trade for the long. If I see pullback there, I'm going to take the long position. Some kind of red candle. So Japanese. Gotta try to go long. I'm waiting to see if it might come down again. Very long. Very long sur le trade. Je vais mettre mon stop ici. Mais ça c'est un gros stop. En bas. Celui-ci aussi. J'ai deux trades maintenant. Je suis dans deux trades. Je suis ici aussi. J'ai pris le long traders. 4 trades, long position. So, and my target is here 1 to 1. this give me 1-to-1, I'll be out of the trade. Let's see. Je suis dans 4 trades sur le long. Do 4 trade. I'm gonna write them. Oh, sorry, write them down here. So I'm in for long. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. On entrée là au vert. Je suis dans 4 trades tout long. support trade now for the long. Look like he doesn't want to, continue up, but let's see. Comme si mes trades ne veulent pas continuer vers le haut. On a 4 trades pour le long. On espère que le japonais va casser encore, continuer. On va see le japonais breaking. But Australia is not doing well. Coming down. Means that it's hard to keep going up. We are reversing down now, so I close to my stop. I gotta be out of Australia soon. Je suis sorti sur Australie avec la perte encore. All my trade now, all side I keep losing. Let's see, I remain on 3 trade. want to readjust my stop to the upside, not below. I gotta reduce my risk, traders. I reduce it. So let's see. Watching. I'm sorry for the background noise, readers. GBP approaching also my target, my stopped, not my target, my stopped. Approaching my stop, ladies and gentlemen. I have to get out again with a loss. I'm now losing another 4 traders. That is how it is, man. Yep. It is what it is. I'm now a good loser, man. But anyway, what is important is that I have to keep doing it. You know, it's not easy. It's not easy because any direction you take, you know, I keep losing. That is the 3 days consecutively. I lost Sunday, I lost Monday, and I'm losing Tuesday. Yeah, that is what I had on the month of January. It wasn't easy. Now it's coming back again. Chez Trader, je disais que j'ai perdu encore. Ça fait combien de trades que j'ai perdu? 4 ici, plus 4, plus peut-être 3. Presque plus de 10 trades que j'ai placés aujourd'hui, mais j'ai perdu. Donc, ça arrive. Ça, c'est les souvenirs du mois de janvier qui reviennent. Parce que tout janvier, j'ai perdu. Tout le mois de janvier. C'est ça qui revient encore. Je prends ce sens, je perds. Je prends ici, je perds. C'est vrai que le processus est important. On a suivi le processus, mais le résultat n'est pas bon. Bon, on va continuer à faire. Continuer à nous battre. C'est pas facile. Trading est difficile. C'est pour cette raison que nous vous demandons de trade avec dans un compte démo. Parce que lorsque vous perdez l'argent propre, c'est très très mauvais. Yep. C'est ça encore. J'ai encore eu une mauvaise journée aujourd'hui. Dimanche, lundi, mardi, c'était tous ces jours où j'ai perdu. Voilà. C'est ça. Traders. Hit more than my mass loss again today. more than my mass loss. In 3 days, keep hitting my mass loss. But today again, I have to be a relentless trader. I have to be a good loser, But we hope that one day we'll flip it. We'll turn around, Yeah, it's 3 minutes past 9. I think this is where we have to stop again today. Gotta stop earlier again instead of 10, because when I hit my mass loss, I have to stop trading. So we gotta stop here today, and we'll be here again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow again we'll be here, to learn how to trade, because that is the important part. You gotta learn how to trade. We're learning something, even though we're losing, but we're learning something. Chers traders, nous serons encore ici demain à la même heure, 19h, pour apprendre à trade. Même si on perd, bon, on doit apprendre, c'est l'apprentissage. On va passer par là. Voilà. Un jour, on cessera de perdre comme on perd ainsi. On ne va pas se décourager, on va continuer. Je vais le faire, je vais continuer à trade aussi longtemps que je serai en santé, que j'aurai les moyens. Et un jour, ça ira. Voilà, même si ça ne va pas maintenant, mais un jour, ça ira. Ok, merci beaucoup et passez une excellente soirée, ou matinée, ou après-midi, ou nuit. Et nous allons nous revoir demain, à la même heure, 19h. Merci beaucoup.